Here's the 18 Tundra that we were discussing. 3M film on the front here. Tons of tread left on the tires. There's the tow mirrors. I'll show you the other side here. Hard tonneau cover, the parking sensors, and the backup camera there. As you can see, the body's in great shape. Jump inside here. So it's got 31,901 kilometers. I'll make sure the radio's off here. Backup camera, sunroof, large back seat area, heated seats, USB auxiliary port. There's your trailer brake for your towing, parking sensors. As well, we have our lane departure, adaptive cruise control there, and our automatic high beams, as well as the rear sliding window. So again, this is the 18 Tundra we were talking about. Talk to you soon.